Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Meisi Susila Gayatri, NIM 121190138. Saya berasal dari kelas Otomasi Sistem Industri A. Dan pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan menjelaskan materi tentang rotary actuator. What is rotary actuator? A rotary actuator is a device that converts energy, typically electrical or pneumatic, into torque via rotary motion. They are commonly used in industrial and manufacturing settings to control valves, doors, and other mechanical systems that require precise and linear movement. Some examples of rotary actuators include DC electric gear motors with gear reducer, pneumatic cylinders, and hydraulic motors. Various types of rotary actuators. The first, manual rotary actuators. Manual rotary actuators are commonly used to control valves such as ball valves and quarter-turn butterflies. B. Electrical rotary actuators. Electrical rotary actuators or DC gear motors use electric power from a motor to rotate components. Fluid power rotary actuators. Fluid power rotary actuators, also known as pneumatic or hydraulic rotary actuators, use fluid power to rotate components. Rack and pinion rotary actuators. Rack and pinion actuators are mechanical devices that are used to control dampers or valves in industrial applications. Scotch yoke rotary actuators. This specific type of actuator has a yoke attached at one end with a groove for a block that may slide back and forth and a sliding bar attached to a valve at the other end. Helical actuators. A set of helical gears and a cylinder are used by the helical rotary actuators to transform a linear input into an oscillating rotating output. Electrohydraulic actuator. While electrohydraulic actuators employ pressurized hydraulic fluid to operate a valve, electricity is their only available energy source. Fan rotary actuators. Simply put, the pneumatic and hydraulic fan type actuators use a minimum of one or two fans that are attached to a hub in a circular chamber or wedge-shaped area. Anywhere, the fan can turn from 90 to 280 degrees. Feature various types of rotary actuators. Ini adalah beberapa gambar dari jenis-jenis dari aktuator rotasi yang sudah disebutkan sebelumnya. The first tujuan is manual rotary actuator, electrical DC gear motor actuator, fluid power rotary, rack and pinion type actuator, Scotch yoke rotary actuator, helical actuator, electrohydraulic actuator, and fan type. Okay, this is how a rotary actuator works. Fluid power rotary actuator. This actuator utilizes pressurized fluid, oil, or air to function. Comprised of a cylinder containing a piston connected to a rotating shaft. When fluid is applied to the piston, it moves within the cylinder and causes the shaft to rotate. The extent and direction of rotation can be controlled by adjusting the pressure and flow of the fluid. The second one, electric rotary actuator. These actuators use an electric motor to create rotational motion. The motor, DC or AC, is linked to a gearbox that reduces speed, increases torque. which is then transmitted to the load through a rotating shaft. The motor's movement is controlled by an electrical circuit that regulates the voltage and current applied to the motor. Fan rotary actuator. Fan rotary actuator operate using pressurized oil or air to move one or more fans attached to a hub within a cylinder chamber. When the actuator is pressurized, the fans begin to rotate and continue moving until the swirl completes. Rack and pinion rotary actuators. These actuators use a gear system to convert linear motion into rotation. Consists of a rake and a pinion that interacts with the rake. As the rake moves linearly, the pinion rotates, producing rotational movement. Scotch yoke rotary actuators convert linear motion from a piston into rotational movement through a Scotch yoke mechanism. The forward and backward movement of the piston pushes a block mechanically linked to a yoke, which is connected to a rotating rod. The linear motion of the piston causes the yoke to swing sideways, generating rotational movement on the rod. Helical actuators use a helical cam to transfer linear motion into rotation. Input of linear motion moves a helical cam that rotates, translating this rotation into output movement suitable for application needing high precision and smooth movements. Electrohydraulic rotary actuator combine the power of hydraulic force with electric control. Electrical energy is used to drive an electric motor, which pumps hydraulic fluid into the system. The hydraulic pressure is then used to drive at the actuator capable of producing linear or rotational movement. Manual rotary actuator, the last one. Manual rotary actuator is operated manually using hand with the help of a tool. Often utilize a worm drive system to increase the torque that can be applied by the operator. Primarily used for controlling valves or other mechanical devices that don't require an external energy source. Typical application for unfluid power rotary actuator. The first one, industrial machinery. Fluid power rotary actuators can be used in various types in industrial machinery, such as cranes, hoists, and material handling equipment. Two, two, process control. They are widely used in process control applications, such as controlling the flow of fluids in chemical, oil and gas, and pharmaceutical processing plants. 3. Valve control. Fluid power rotary actuators can be used to control fluid flow through valves in piping system, HVAC system, and other applications. 4. Machine positioning. They can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioners, and material handling equipment. Typical application for an electric rotary actuator. Automatic and control system can be used in various automation and control systems such as assembly lines, material handling system, and packaging machinery. Automated use. They are widely used in vessels, for example, to operate the windscreen wipers, this motor that make the wipers go back and forth utilize DC gear motors. Third, valve control. Electric rotary actuators can be used to control fluid flow through valves in piping system, HVAC system, and other applications. Fourth, missing position. They can use to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts position and material handling equipment. Typical application for a fan rotary actuator. Uh, in industrial machinery, fan rotary actuators can be used in various types of industrial machinery, such as pumps, compressor, and material handling equipment. Automation and control system, they are widely used in automatic and control system such as assembly lines, material handling, and packaging machinery. Robotics. Rotary actuators are used in various industrial and manufacturing robots, particularly for applications that require high force and low speed. Fourth, machine position. They can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioners, and material handling equipment. Typical application for a rack and pinion rotary actuator. In industrial machinery, rack and pinion rotary actuators can be used in various types of industrial machinery, such as crane, hoist, and material handling equipment. Automatic automation and control system, that they are widely used in automation and control system such as assembly line, material handling system, and packaging machinery. Robotics. Rack and pinion rotary actuators are used in various industrial and manufacturing robots, particularly for applications that require precision and high accuracy. For machine position, they can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioner, and material handling equipment. Typical application for a Scotch yoke rotary actuator in industrial machinery can be used in various types of industrial machinery such as pumps, compressor, and material handling equipment. In automation and control system, they are widely used in automation and control system such as assembly lines, material handling system, and packaging machinery. In robotics, Scott yoke rotary actuators are used in various industrial and manufacturing robots, particularly for heavy-duty tasks and applications that require high force. In machine positioning, they can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioning, and material handling equipment. Typical application of for a helical rotary actuator in industrial machinery, use can be used in various types of industrial machinery such as pumps and compressors. In automation and control system, they are widely used in automation and control system such as assembly lines, material handling system, and packaging machinery. In robotics, helical rotary actuators are used in various industrial and manufacturing robots, particularly for applications that require precision and high accuracy. Machine positioning. They can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioners, and material handling equipment. Okay, next to string of rotary actuator. Rotary actuators have high torque which can drive heavy loads, has a wide application range which can serve various industries such as water treatment, oil and gas, and chemical and others. Easy maintenance. as it doesn't require additional components such as rose, cylinder, or girth or gears. Rotary actuators have easy installation as they can be mounted in various positions and directions. Rotary actuators are suitable for harsh environments as they are resistant to dust, dirt, and moisture. Weakness of rotary actuator. Rotary actuators have low accuracy and precision as it is difficult to control the angle and speed of rotation. Have a low efficiency as there is energy loss due to friction and damping. Has high noise due to the vibration and sound produced by the motor. Thank you. Sekian presentasi dari saya. Apabila terdapat kesalahan dalam pengucapan ataupun dalam penyampaian, saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.